Hello viewers, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make coconut milk powder laddu. For making coconut milk powder laddu, these are the ingredients. First one is 1 cup of milk powder and half cup of milk and half cup of icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of ghee and finally desiccated coconut powder. Okay, let's start. Switch on the flame and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now add milk. Now add milk powder. Now stir well. Okay. Now add icing sugar. Now mix well. Blend. Okay. Now finally add coconut powder. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Now finally add ilachi powder. Now switch off the flame. Let it cool down for 10 minutes. Okay, after cool down, mixture is dry, so apply ghee on your palms and take a mixture, make like a balls. Now dip the laddus in desiccated coconut powder.